In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to bookmark the course calendar. If you notice, there is a link to course schedule in the left-hand sidebar, but unfortunately D2L uses this to keep track of the start dates, due dates, and end dates for active assignments. You may or may not see information if you use this link. What I would recommend that you do instead is go to the actual course calendar, which I've posted under Syllabus, Policies, and Schedule. And it's listed right here. It says course calendar, and then it will have whatever information is appropriate here. If you navigate to this page, you can then, let me show you what's happening. It opens it in a new window because it's a Google Doc, but if you go back into the D2L learning environment, you can click this button right here where it says Add Bookmark. And once you've done that, it makes getting to this course calendar in the future much easier. So if you go back to content, like we're coming in all fresh, a new day, now you'll see here under the bookmark link, it takes you immediately to the course calendar. So wherever you are down here, you don't have to try to find the calendar. Just go to bookmarks, and it's right here. And you'll see it does open up in a new tab, but it's also opening up in D2L as well. This course calendar is much more thorough than the due dates that D2L compiles. This tells you exactly what you need to do and exactly when you need to do it and what you should be working on at any various time. So I encourage you to use the course calendar that I have posted. You can locate it under Syllabus, Policies, and Schedules, and I recommend that you bookmark it for ease of use in the future. And do not try to just navigate through the course using this course schedule link. It's not going to give you very thorough information. I hope this helps.